Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to explore a topic that's crucial in creating an inclusive and accessible environment for everyone: the Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA, building regulations. You'll gain insights into how these regulations play a significant role in facilities planning and learn how a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, can help you comply with these standards. So, stick around to discover how these guidelines contribute to creating a universally designed space that benefits us all. Now let's dive into the world of ADA building regulations. These are a set of standards in the United States that prevent discrimination against people with disabilities in all areas of public life, whether it's in public or private institutions. Think about it this way. Have you ever seen a building that only has a staircase as an entryway? Or perhaps you've seen signs that don't include alternative reading formats? These are examples of unintentional discrimination, and ADA regulations are designed to prevent such situations. They ensure that people with disabilities have access to jobs, housing, public benefits, commercial goods, and more. Now let's talk about how these ADA regulations impact facilities planning. They play a crucial role by providing design specifications to facilities planners. These guidelines ensure that all structures, including your building, are accessible to the general public. And yes, that includes individuals with disabilities. For instance, all barriers to pathways of travel must be removed. Your building should have ramps and elevators to ensure individuals with mobility disabilities have equal access to all parts of the building. But keep in mind, achieving ADA compliance is not always a straightforward process. Building requirements can vary depending on the age of the building. The newer the construction, the more complicated the regulations can be. On the other hand, different standards might apply to older buildings that may not be able to be changed. But here's the thing: when buildings are built to be accessible for people with disabilities, they are better to use for everyone. This is what we call universal design, or inclusive design. It's all about building environments so that all components of a space can be enjoyed by anyone, including people with disabilities. For example, Starbucks recently launched a store in Washington, D.C. that is entirely run by employees who are fluent in American Sign Language. The space itself incorporates universal design elements to improve the experience for customers who are deaf or hard of hearing by considering sensory reach, mobility, proximity, light, color, and acoustics. Now you might be wondering, how can I use a CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System, to comply with the ADA? Well, CMMS systems can catch common oversights, such as obstructed pathways, evacuation plans that may not take mobility devices into account, and other similar issues in your facilities. This is because computers are simply much better at keeping track of things than we are. Moreover, when fed the proper data set, a good CMMS may also generate reports that show you at a glance what needs improving. Given the wide scope of the ADA regulations, such an overview is highly helpful. In short, when properly used, a CMMS plus a preventive maintenance plan ensures that you and your company are in compliance with the ADA. So remember, ADA regulations are not just about compliance, they're about creating a more inclusive and accessible environment for everyone. And with the right tools and resources, you can make sure your facilities are up to the task. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the importance of ADA regulations, the concept of universal design, and how a computerized maintenance management system can help you comply with these standards. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. To learn more about how UpKeep can assist your maintenance and operations teams, visit us at upkeep.com.